welcome to the channel. This is Jay. It's planning time again. Time to get ready for the week. Time to figure out what we're going to be doing and all that kind of stuff. What I've been doing with myself is, let me get going. What I've been doing with myself is I've been trying to clean out my closet. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been trying to clean out my closet. Now, my closet is like a mess. I mean, I started sorting my clothes. I think I'm sorting my clothes now by color. Like, put everything in the right color. So, as I got started, I'm doing it backwards this time, you guys. As I got started, I noticed that I had 14 black shirts. Not 4, not 5, but 14 black shirts. Who in their right mind needs 14 black shirts? That's what I had. I had 14 black shirts. 14 black shirts. So I just kept sorting and putting them in a pile and everything like that. I think I'm going to have to, buy myself a closet organizer. When how when you get your house, you have that normal builder's thing, you get that one shelf and that's all you get. But I'm going to need a closet organizer to get everything organized. So I looked at IKEA to see what they had, but then I'm not very good at putting anything together. So therefore, I'm not going to be able to hang anything in my closet. I'm not going to be able to do that. I got to find, this is all about clothes and hanging stuff, this week. So I'm not going to be able to do that. So I got to go and find a closet organizer or something. Somebody to put it up for me. And cheaply. I need it, I don't want to spend a lot of money on all of that stuff. So there I am sitting in the floor in the middle of all of these clothes. I got a pile right here that says, okay, keep those. I got a pile over here that says, nope, take those to the Goodwill. So it's a pile of those, along with a pile of shoes that I no longer wear anymore. I'm only going to save, one pair of the heels and stuff like that. I have a pile to give to the women's halfway house. I have a pile to give to the church because the church likes, clothing that, people can get and wear to church. I got piles of my purses because I don't even carry a purse anymore. I don't even carry a purse right now. My doctor told me to carry a backpack, so I got purses that I don't use. See, I'm going to put all these things on here. I'm giving y'all an explanation about everything. Okay, so the next thing I got scarves, but I can't wear the scarves now because I'm a hot flasher. I got hot flashes. So I can't put the scarves on, can't put all this stuff on, can't put the purses on. And then in the bottom of my closet, there are my watches, right? I'm gonna put this watch on this girl. I had all kinds of watches in there, right? Put the watch on her like that. So I had all kinds of watches that I don't wear anymore because I have my Apple Watch. So if you have your Apple Watch, do you ever put on another watch? I mean, I tried to wear one of my other watches on a weekend, and then I was like, oh my God, what time is it? Did I get my steps in? It was too much. It was too much. So I ended up getting my, putting my watch back on, getting my watch back. Oh, see, that looks like she's sitting in a messy closet. She got all kind of stuff on. So I have that. And trying to get it organized. So, do any of you guys have like a closet organizer that you had put in for yourself? And if you did, who put that organizer in for you? Did you do it yourself? If you have a husband, did your husband do it, or did you go to a company and get it? And if you went to a company, Could you say the name of that, put the name of that company down there just so I can see if we got one in my area? So that's this side. That's me. That's the way I felt sitting in the closet. And plus I had a whole bunch of sunglasses that I keep in a little drawer in my closet. And I need to bring them out because it's summertime now. So trying to organize my shoes, get my whole closet done and everything like that. That was a chore. That's a chore right there. Trying to get all that done. And then in the middle of that, I have a lot of storage boxes things. Let's put the storage boxes things here. I don't know if I want the storage boxes there. No, don't put the storage boxes there. Don't put the storage boxes there. So I ended up like sitting in my closet with too much stuff. Had my coffee in there with me too. So I'm sitting in there with too much stuff and wondering where it all came from and why do I have so much of it. I mean, all the black shirts, and then I went to take a look at my shorts, right? For the summer, because I went in there for a reason, you know, to find, you know, get things organized and get my shorts. So I don't know if this is like my COVID-15, my COVID-20, my COVID whatever it is, but COVID has done something to my poor body, right? So I put my little shorts on, and my little shorts are not fitting quite properly. My little shorts aren't. They're not hanging on me right? So you know you put your shorts on like that, and they're supposed to hang down like that, but they're kind of gapping. They're kind of swooping up top up there. I don't know what's up with that, but anyway, that's what my shorts was doing. So I tried on all my shorts, found a few pair of those that I could wear. The other ones I put in the giveaway pile because I go, if they hike up in the front, no need to be trying to wear them. But I found this here. It looks like a Chuck Taylor. My daughter, for my birthday, did get me some high-top leopard Chuck Taylors. So not Chucks and Pearls, but leopard ones. And when I saw that, I go, I got to put that on my spread because I love those shoes. So there I am, right? Just in there trying to figure it out. So I got all this stuff out now on the closet floor, in piles, right? In nicely piles. So I got the piles there. And once I got all the piles done, I'm like, okay, that's pretty cool. You're awesome, whatever you wear. I'm awesome, whatever I wear. I'm always wearing something, but you know. So my daughter had come by and she said, hey, Ma, do you want to run to Target with me? So I said, okay, I'll go to Target with you. So we ended up going over to Target, and she wanted to get some of the $5 t-shirts for the summer that she was going to put on. So she said, hey, Mom, do you need a t-shirt? I'm thinking, I got 15 black, 15, 20, 25, 30 black t-shirts. Why do I need another t-shirt, right? I go, no, I don't think I need no t-shirts, right? But I get over there. Oh, I can't see that. I get over there, and I'm looking at the t-shirts with her. Oh, wow, look, I messed that up. Glue. So I'm looking at the t-shirts, hoping this thing works. I got this from the dollar store, and it's supposed to move glue when you get it all over the place. It did move it a little bit. Still looks a mess, but looks a little better. Oh, it looks better. It did it. So anyway, there I am, looking at the t-shirts with her. Now remember, I got piles and piles of t-shirts in my closet now. Tell me if you like this. I got piles and piles. This stuff, this little Dollar Tree eraser works good. Did you see this, you guys? Because I had glue and stuff. I got glue over it when I moved it, and it actually moved all the glue out the way. So I got all my t-shirts and everything sitting in my closet on my floor in there. And I'm like looking at these t-shirts with her and everything. So we end up going to the counter, and we go to the counter, and what do I have in my hand? You know what I had in my hand, another black t-shirt. And I'm like, Jay, if you don't put that t-shirt down and put that back. So I ended up putting the t-shirt back, feeling embarrassed, because my daughter goes, Mom, why don't you go ahead and put your t-shirt up. I go, girl, I don't need no t-shirts. I got a whole bunch of t-shirts at home. I go, I don't need a t-shirt. I don't even know why I even picked that up. And so that was the extent of my going into my closet. That's what made me do this spread that I'm doing here. This spread is all about in your closet, finding out what you have in there to wear, and knowing that whatever you wear, you're gonna look good and awesome. You're gonna look awesome in it, because you wear your clothes, and you wear your clothes and you look good in your clothes. So thank you for joining me. Hope you all have a wonderful week. Take care of yourselves. Remember to still be cautious and still stay a bit safe. Enjoy yourself, but be safe. If you haven't got your COVID shot, go and get it. If you're not intending to get a COVID shot, then please take care of yourself and be safe. And you know what? Check out your closet. If you check out your closet and you got more black shirts than me, let me know, please. Let me know. And if you know of a closet organizer thing that's not very expensive, or a company that puts them in, could you let me know too? Take care of yourself. Give me a thumbs up for this spread if you like this spread. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and press that button and subscribe. Thank you for coming by. To all my subscribers, I do appreciate you. And if you watch my videos, please do give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, you guys. Love you, and be the reason somebody smiles.